Hello class. Some of you are having a little bit of a problem with PowerPoint Lab 5, so I'm going to give you a little bit of head start. You see that I'm following the directions and have opened the Windstorm presentation from my data files. Those data files are provided for you in your module. And I have saved it. Your instructions say save it as Windstorm's Final. And I've saved mine Windstorm's Final for demonstration, but you just save yours Windstorm's Final. Okay? And we're going to merge another presentation with this. Okay? That's what we do first. Merge another presentation. So with the Windstorm's Final presentation open, we're going to click the Review tab. Most of all that we're going to be doing is on the Review tab in this project. So click your Review tab, and then you see the Compare group. We're going to click Compare. Now I realize I'm going a little fast, but if you've already been working on it, this will make sense to you. So if you've been following your steps and run into problems, this might help you kind of iron out where your problems are. Now we're going to scroll through, and it tells us to open up the Windstorm's Mary Halen file. So here she is right here, Windstorm's Mary Halen. And we're going to merge with our document so that we can work on this together. And so now we chose that option to merge. And it said, and when we did the compare, instead of saying open, we said merge. Now it tells us on page 271, toward at the bottom, to open in Backstage View. And you remember we click File to see our Backstage View. And this is just going over options to print. We're not going to have to print, but we would need to understand these steps. We would click Print, and here's our full pages. If we would click the drop down arrow, we want to make sure that this is checked, print comments and ink markup. So that's correct, so I'm going to click off to deselect that. And then it says click the next page. Here we are, 1 of 6. So I'm just going to click through, and that's all it's doing is clicking through and letting you look at the slides and see how it looks since we have merged our file with Mary Halen's. Okay, now I'm on the bottom of page 273 to preview your presentation changes. It's telling us now to go back to the Review tab and click the Reviewing pane. See, mine is already selected in the Compare group to display the revisions with Slide 1. See how Slide 1 is selected. Click the Slides tab in the Revisions task pane. Now that's over here. Here's your Revisions task pane. I'm clicking the Slides tab. Now we see Mary Halen there, and it's going to tell us to click Mary Halen checks box above, to click that. See that little check box? If we click that check box, that means we view the proposed changes in the slide. If we click the check box again, when we check it, it accepts it, but we take it off, we're rejecting her changes. Poor Mary, we're going to reject her changes. Now we're going to click the Details tab in the Revision task pane. See it right here? To display the comment markers. These are our comment markers, and the slide changes. These two are the slide changes. And click first the Mary Halen comment. See how it says Mary Halen? That's her initials, comment 1. We click that comment. We see her comment here. I changed your title text to word art. Okay, and it's telling us to delete that comment. Okay, so here's our delete right here. We're going to delete her comment. All right, I'm going to stop there. I think that gives you the idea, and I'm going to go over in the next video to another step that I think is giving you problems. But I hope that helps. If it doesn't help, let me know. Let me know how I can help you.